Hi guys, we are here today with a Mint Mongoose unboxing. Now, as usual, as of lately, I guess, I have several boxes to unbox today. So you're gonna see this, but you're gonna see this outfit a lot is what I'm trying to say. But I very purposely am doing Mint Mongoose first because I didn't put any jewelry on other than my engagement ring. So I wanted to see if there is any jewelry. Anyways, if you're not aware of what Mint Mongoose is, it is a monthly jewelry subscription service where you can choose between a couple of different packages. The package that I chose has 2 necklaces and 1 set of earrings. And this will be February's Mint Mongoose, I believe. I'll just double check. A lot of my February boxes came late and then I was gone at the end of February and it is currently March. I think this is Mint Mongoose, or the March, no, I lied. I think this is the February Mint Mongoose. Also apologize if you hear Roxy whining. I had to shut her out of the studio because there's just too much extra noise going on. And she's kind of like a cat. She either needs to be in or she needs to be out, but I can't just leave the door open right now because there's just too much sound. But anyways, let's move on and see what this is about this month. So each month comes with a cute little card on it, which I'm loving this, by the way. And each month does have a theme, and we can go ahead and look or read the card and see what this month's theme is. I apologize, my allergies are acting up. I do have some tea here with me today. It's a little too hot to drink still, but my brain, I think, is literally just clogged with mucus right now. So this video isn't turning out well, I feel like, but we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna forge ahead. Anyways, hi there. This month's set is inspired by all of the lessons we learned from the not so marvelous seasons of life. Life is not easy. One cannot live without experiencing obstacles, challenges, adversity, trauma, and pain. Some of these are easy to navigate through. Some take a bit of willpower and prayer, and some are downright hard. Some take years and some take moments. Through every one of these seasons of life, whether we realize it or not, we walk away with new perspectives, lessons, tools, knowledge, experiences, and resilience that we may not have had before. The flakes within each gem of this set are meant to represent every struggle, big and small, that you have navigated through. It is by design that no 2 pieces are the same, just like no 2 lives are the same. The cut of the gem is meant to represent the different perspectives that you can look at, or you can look at your struggles through. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope you remember the less than marvelous seasons of life you have been through, along with the beautiful lessons and the strength that resulted from those struggles. I hope that when a new season of cloudy days present themselves, this necklace reminds you that the hard times are seasons that will pass and leave behind proof of strength you never knew you had. I love that. I love everything about it. Also looks like I'm gonna really enjoy the jewelry set for this month. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So you can choose which metal you get your jewelry in. I personally think I can pull off any jewelry. What is going on? Okay, I'll talk through this in a minute. I personally think I can pull off any metal, whether it's gold, silver, or rose gold, which are the 3 options that they offer. They do always come with a Werther's original, which one month it did not, and I was a little upset. This is something new. It kind of looks like maybe a friendship bracelet. I don't know what's going on. I am perplexed. I don't know what to do with this, but it looked like it might be a great cat toy. So congrats, Sophie. Anyways, moving on. We'll go ahead and unwrap all this. Okay, I think this might be one of the pieces of jewelry this month, looking at the card, and I'm a little disappointed because normally there's 3 little packets, but this month there was this thing and 2 packets. And one of them is a set of earrings and the other one is at least 1 necklace, but they don't usually put their necklaces together. So we'll have to go ahead and see what's going on. It does look like I got the gold set this month, but I'm a little kind of like, WTF, guys? The actual WTF. Trying not to actually curse, but I'm a little disappointed. That being said, this is what this first one looks like. And she's cute. I am a sucker for stones. I'm a sucker for glitter. So, you know, glitter and stones are clearly something that I'm going to enjoy as a person. Let's go ahead and put this on. Something else I haven't mentioned is they do have adjustable chain lengths. So I think I'm wearing kind of like a V-cut top today. Let's do let's do the shortest, or let's see what it looks like on the shortest here first. Anyone else allergic to cottonwood? Feel your pain. It is the worst. Okay, I like that on the shortest length actually. And we'll go ahead and open the earrings, which look like they match the necklace. You know, Mint Mongoose, I was saying, I think in last month's video, I've been thinking about canceling them just because I feel like we've had some womp months lately. And then I was really impressed by last month's. I really enjoyed last month's. And I really like the design of this necklace and these earrings, but I'm a little like, is this supposed to be a bracelet? I don't understand. Help me to understand. I think this is supposed to be a bracelet. I think that's what this is. And then you can tighten it. But that's, why? Why am I paying for that? I don't know. Am I the asshole? You can be honest with me. I know this ain't Reddit, but am I the asshole? I'm just a little disappointed. But anyways, moving on. Let's go ahead and get these earrings out finally. They do look like they match the necklace, except the gold is a little, maybe in a slightly different place or a little more scattered. But they cute. I love that. So we'll go ahead and put this bad boy on. Cute. Love that. Love that a lot. Okay, in summary, she cute. Overall, I do like the necklace and the earrings. This weird rope bracelet I could have made myself is a little, I'm annoyed by it. I'll get through it, but I'm annoyed by it. Excuse me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Stay warm out there. It's chilly today. Bye.